Hello guys and welcome to my channel MQ Tutorial. I am your tutor Madhavi, and today in this class we are going to learn some of the interesting things about human body. But if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe it fast so that you can stay tuned and get notifications regarding my each and every video. Now you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. So without wasting time, let's get started. So just now you saw in a video, the girl was eating something and she burped. Oops, sorry. So my question is, why do we burp? Yes, burp और belch या हिंदी में हम इसे डकार भी बोलते हैं. So ये हम डकार क्यों लेते हैं या फिर ये डकार क्यों आती है? Why do we burp? Well, the answer is when we eat food. Okay, I'm eating something. So when we eat food in a form of a solid or liquid, we basically open our mouth. Yes, so when I'm opening my mouth, the food is going inside. At the same time, there are numerous gases which are swallowed by my system. Yes, they are getting inside. So the gases like oxygen and nitrogen, they are getting swallowed by my body. Now these gases are going inside the body. Now this excess amount of gases then needs to be deleted or there needs to be removed from the body. Now the removal process, what happens is this excess amount of gas, it will go and this excess amount of gas is forced out of the stomach via esophagus and it produces a sound that is burp, and that's why we burp. So guys, question of the day, I am here to give you one question. If you drink large amount of carbonated drinks or aerated drinks, it always results into a burp. Can you guess the reason behind it? If you know the answer, please comment down in the comment section. Our second question is, let's check the video. Did you yawn while watching this video? Yes, yawning. So why do we yawn? Yawning is actually involuntary and contagious. If you see someone yawning in front of you, you also automatically yawn. So why do we yawn? When do we yawn? Think. Do we yawn while doing some activities like dancing, singing or something? Do we yawn at that time? No. But if you are tired, if you are sleepy, if you are bored at the lecture, obviously you are going to get yawning. Yes. So when your body is tired, it gives a signal that yes, there is a tiredness in the body and it needs to be refreshed. Yes, so the tiredness is indicated with the help of the yawn. Now how to understand your body is tired? Now there is a less amount of oxygen and more amount of carbon dioxide in your body. Yes, if there is a less amount of oxygen and more amount of carbon dioxide in your body, that is given out with the help of the yawning. Yes. So removal of carbon dioxide from the body is called as yawning. Now there are too many theories associated with yawning. We'll not go into the theory, we'll just see what exactly is the process. So when we open our mouth, so how exactly is yawning done? Some sort of like this, yes. So while yawning, when I'm opening my mouth, there's large amount of air taken by the body, yes, and this air is given or swallowed by the chest, and therein there will be the expansion of chest happening, and this expansion of the chest, so that there will be air filled in the lungs which needs to be given out. Yes, that will be given out via nose, that will be exhale. So the process will go like, will take in oxygen and will give out the carbon dioxide out. What you just saw in the last video, yes, the girl sneezed. Now our third interesting thing is, why do we sneeze? Yes, sneezing is really very common and done by everyone. But what is the reason behind sneezing? Now, if you are sneezing, there might be a probability, there might be something. If you just sneezed, it means there is something which is troubling to your nose. Yes, there is something irritating or tickling inside your nose. So, and nose being a really very sensitive organ of the body which is responsible to carry out the breathing process. Now, what exactly is the thing that is tickling or irritating your nose? Now, when we breathe when we breathe air, Along with air, there are certain numerous small allergens which are also mixed inside the air. It might be like, it may be dust, it may be a pollen, it may be some cold air, or the fur of the pets. It can be anything. So these allergens, they are mixed in the air, and sometimes they can get passed through your nose and irritate to your nose. So what happens if these particles, when mixed in the air, are irritating or they are near to your nose, and there are chances these particles, with the help of the air, they might get inside your body system. So to avoid their entry inside the body, so nose is really very sensitive organ, and you will find there are some ciliated or thread like structure. You will find some hair like structure inside your nose. So whenever there is allergen mixed in the air is inhaled by your nose, the first line of defense is the hair inside your nose. Yes, now these hairs, they are responsible to sweep those particles out. Then when your nose is getting tickled or irritated by those particles, by those pollens, by those allergens, the nose is going to send the message to the brain. The brain will get activated, the brain will send back the message to all the muscles of the body to give a reaction to that particle, and that reaction is nothing but achoo. Yes, that is. So did you realize my eyes were closed during sneezing? Yes, and that was the response of the brain, of the muscles. Yes, so if not, then check out next time while sneezing. So guys, these were the 3 important interesting things. If you want to know more, about some different body activities, please put your queries in the comment section. I'll make sure I'll make the video in the next lecture and solve your queries. If you liked my video and teaching, then without fail, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.